Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to find your prompts and art that you've generated on any Discord server. So first things first, go to a Discord server where you know you've made some prompts and AI generated images in the past. Then on the upper right corner of the Discord screen, click on the mailbox icon to open your inbox. From there, click on Mentions to see all the mentions of your account on the Discord server. These AI-generated bots like Midjourney and Blue Willow will always mention your account as the one who generated images from them. Feel free to filter out at everyone mentions just so that you get the mentions of your specific account. From this inbox, click on the message and it'll redirect you on the main Discord text page to the actual generation of the image you wished. Another way to find your generated images is to go to midjourney.com, log in with your Midjourney account, and then look for the archive icon. Once you've accessed your Midjourney archive, you can see all the AI art images that you've asked the bot to generate. Go ahead and select any of the art images that you've generated. Then, click on Open In and Open in Discord. What this will do is open up your Discord and redirect you directly to the message where you generated that image. In order to properly access all these features, make sure that the Midjourney bot is actually included in the servers you wish to make prompts to. If you're also running into any problems with the AI art generator, feel free to send it a message. And there you go! You now know how to find all the prompts and AI generated images that you created using Discord and your Midjourney AI application. If you have any other questions or inquiries, feel free to leave them down in a comment below. Like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.